How to cancel Netflix subscription. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Netflix subscription across iOS, Android and desktop platforms. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth cancellation process regardless of your device. So if you're using iOS, Android, laptop, computer, you can just do it on any of the device. First, you could open your Netflix account, sign into your account, and then you're going to click on your profile over here. And here, you're going to click on account, and once you do so, you will be redirected to your account. As soon as you click on account, you'll be able to see your membership details, and here you're going to click on manage membership. So once you click on that, you can either click on change plan if you wish to change the plan, or if you wish to manage payment method, redeem gift or promo code, or view payment history. However, if you really wish to cancel membership, you could simply click on cancel membership, and then another screen will prompt where it will ask whether you really want to cancel the membership. Just click on agree and that's it. You have successfully canceled your Netflix subscription. So as easy as that was how you can cancel your Netflix subscription. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.